say bonjour to RéHabitat. To welcome her, my friend François, the rooster. This is the East African Crude Oil Pipeline, or EACOP, from Hoima, Uganda to the port of Tanga in Tanzania. EACOP will unlock East Africa's economic potential. However, the pipeline runs through vibrant ecosystems. The East African Crude Oil Pipeline cannot avoid its course, nor can we reduce its impact. I'm very proud to introduce RéHabitat, the very first habitat-equivalency assisted migration project. RéHabitat will save animals by moving them out of the way to a safer place, right here in France. This pipeline offers us for the first time the incredible opportunity to tap the energy riches of East Africa with a clear conscience. How will it work? Well, first, RéHabitat's ecology and innovation team works with climate models to predict French ecological zones that will transition due to climate change towards the subtropical conditions, mimicking conditions around the East African pipeline corridor. And to help all species, local and imported, adapt to this rapid change, we'll begin by importing keystone species from East Africa. Please meet the SV RéHabitat, our 200-meter wind and solar-powered carbon-neutral cargo ship. Wildlife enjoy passage in comfortable transitional habitats aboard a vessel that also offsets the CO2 impacts of the EACOP project. RéHabitat employs former agriculturists relocating from their homes along the pipeline route to be sanitation specialists, handlers, and morale monitors aboard the SV RéHabitat, completing the total compensation strategy. I am honored to introduce my colleague, Mr. Kan Malonga, RéHabitat's East African liaison.
Bonjour et bienvenue à tous. Dans cette cage se trouve mon ami Reza, un oiseau calao à joues argentées, qui vit dans la région qui abritera bientôt l'oléoduc d'Afrique de l'Est. Au nom des peuples de l'Ouganda et de la Tanzanie, et bien évidemment au nom de Reza, nous apportons notre soutien inconditionnel au projet RéHabitat. En vous remerciant.
Everybody, say bonjour to Reza. And here to welcome her, my friend François, the rooster, national bird of France, and these two species will cohabitate for the first time in history thanks to RéHabitat. François, say jump. I'm very sorry, this was not supposed to happen. You can find more information on our website. Sorry for that. So, thanks for coming. I'm really sorry. Please check the website and details. Maybe we can find your way out at this point. Maybe you can, yeah, it's okay. We're very sorry about this.